Morning, morning, morning. How are you guys? Hola, hola. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. How's everyone doing? What a move. I guess we move with data, right? So the market jump and we have a big gap below. I would love to see that gap getting filled.
A little deeper of a pullback to engage potential buyers. It's yesterday's value area high. And good
Morning.
morning.
Sup, 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 sup. So I was like, today's Wednesday. What are you doing here? Then I was like, it's not Wednesday.
Yeah. Um, we have
Right.
a big gap below. I would love to see it getting filled. That was a really nice reaction.
Okay. I'm watching this area right here in this kind of this 190 area.
I have
We
a
do.
buy limit at 177. My stop will be at 152. Profit target will be at 200. This green fib you see on my chart.
All right. Go a little more, please. There we go.
We could
Nice. Taking some
potentially
off there.
find support here as well. I kind of want in
Yeah.
lower, but we're at the bottom end of a 5-day
Okay.
distribution here.
Took that for 20 points. I got in at 90. Like almost the bottom tick the in, so that was good. I'm already out. Now waiting for lower. I'll take another shot scalp. Shot, not short. Another shot at a scalp.
All right, there we go.
Nice.
There's the value
Nice.
area high retest at 184.
That's good.
I want lower.
Yeah, I was waiting for a little bit lower too on the second entry there for me.
Might
That was good
be
though.
that was a dick for a tick. I could have
Yeah,
just
so that's
limited yesterday's value area high. That was my main intention right there. But I had my limit a little lower. Maybe we'll come back down and tag me in.
Okay, so we have Nvidia filling the gap. Apple is pretty weak, but it's almost at support.
Liu Kang, is it really? Are you in here? No, he's not in here. Okay, Liu Kang saying
Okay.
TSX is having problems again.
I am tagged in. I'm looking for 200 even on this long. Stops at 153.
Happy Friday from Australia. Nice.
Oh, yeah. What time is it in Australia right now? Shit.
I was gonna say it's
Pretty
Friday.
early?
I didn't even know.
I don't know. Or very late. Let's see.
Oh damn, it is down. I just got network error.
Oh
Yeah,
my
So
quite a
god.
few.
avoid
If
any
you're looking at
trades.
yeah, that's unfortunate. Almost tagged for 200 even. Didn't quite get it. We do have a lot of orders coming in here, as you can see on the. Okay, I just got filled. Good $460 trade right there.
Nice, Amp. Beautiful.
So I have $180 to make to finish these 20 Apex accounts. So I'll be patient on that. This is a really good setup. Let's see, I have 4 people looking at my chart. I've learned my lesson. My primary trading strategy is buying 50% of prior structure, so like a high and a low. And I've definitely learned my lesson on buying 50% of the first high to low structured zone on the way down for a pullback. So I ended up buying here the second one, which conveniently lined up with yesterday's value area high. And thankfully, we also had a bunch of activity here at the 180s on volume, which kind of helped out with that. Somebody's in a trade. Oh, never mind. That's something else.
I was like, I didn't hear anything. Unless I missed it, but that's possible.
I have Ninja Trader live on the background as well. I like watching those
Oh, okay.
guys.
Okay. That could be one of them.
Let me see if Top Step's working for me.
My Top Step says it's up right now, currently. I mean, I don't know.
Yeah, mine's
Everything seems
working.
okay, but I also have not entered a trade, nor do I really feel confident in doing so. So it's also that. It's still holding nicely right now. See what we do here.
This is exactly what you want to see if you're bullish. We kind of opened. Let me see, pull this over for anybody watching. This right here is yesterday's range. We have value high, value low, and previous day low as well down there. We opened up right here above yesterday's value. So if you're bullish, you kind of want to see us pull back and then buyers re-engage here to look for higher. And we also have a low volume node here that could be defended. Now, if buyers don't hold this, we could just slice through that and maybe find support a little lower. But I'm liking the hold for the moment. And you see volume the session volume profile point of control is down here too. It shifted down to the value head. So there's a lot of activity down here.
I kind of like it for more downside, to be honest.
Yeah, we could. That's been the theme all week. We RTH open and there's a seller that just steps in, and sellers are in control right now on volume delta.
I'm only eyeing the shorts right now because I want that data low sweep at 110.
Yeah, that would be nice. I would like that too.
We do have a overnight high volume node there. I think that's right there too. For me being bullish, though, I really don't want to see us get below the 24-hour VWAP that's anchored to the 1800 open.
Nice hold again.
Here.
Still holding.
Yeah.
Still holding. Yep.
Good hold of the 180s.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Beautiful
Ooh,
hold there.
okay.
Blade, I think that you called that level this morning. 200.
200. 200 was the level. Yeah, 200 was the level for rejection right off the rip this morning, and then 250 was my next level up. I mean, it was perfect. 200 to reject, to then reclaim 200 to go right to 250, to then reject 250 to get. Yeah, I mean, it was good. It was good.
250.
250. It was like 260 that I rejected, but yeah, 250 was my level there.
Oh, it's a short?
So this morning, early this morning, I was like 200 is what I want to see. We rejected 200 briefly, right, for a scalp, but up to 200 on the CPI. And then once we rejected 200, I said, watch 250. We instantly
Okay.
pulled back up to 250, and then not to
Okay.
short, but to get in
Okay,
long
okay,
to
nice.
get for profit targets. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Coincided with yesterday's value high. Nice.
Here's what we do right here.
Yeah. Kind of turn
Interesting spot.
between going short or going long. Okay,
That-
like more
There's
the
a lot of
rejection
buyers here at 180 right now. I think we'd have to get below 180.
I'm watching 820 on ES.
Okay.
Mhm.
There's your 820. I guess within a point, right? At this point, I kind of want to see down to 110 before I do anything else.
That's the golden pocket. We are on the golden pocket on both ES and NQ. Also, 820 was a very strong resistance yesterday.
Mm-hmm. Could be a good hold there at 820. Let's see how this plays out, though.
And also watching 160 on NQ. Under 160, I think we can have a lot more downside.
Yeah, right to my 110. I like that idea.
SPA and QQQ are under the VWAP. They both keep rejecting the VWAP, so that is also not bullish.
Yeah. Yep.
Now we still have ES and NQ trying to hold the orb low. Wait to see what happens here. So it's a battle.
Yeah, look how these 1-minute candles are just holding yesterday's value.
Yeah.
184. You can see all this negative delta underneath it. That's just buyers absorbing any aggressive sellers right here.
$200 again. Back over 200. See what we do here.
That was a beautiful 820 bounce.
Yeah, it was. It was. It's a tough little area here, though. I mean, definitely some
Yeah, even
There's
that 50% trade I was discussing worked on ES right here. Beautiful.
Yeah, that was perfect.
Mm-hmm. That's nice. So now we have the midline up at 250, which is of the orb. Midline of the orb is at 250. I'm really watching that to see what we do there. That was my level from this morning. Now it's turned to the midline, which is interesting.
Okay. Damn, that was perfect. Pull back to the golden pocket. Pull back long. I don't really use the golden pocket much, but whenever I see like a big move like overnight move here till today's high, I just put it in and I a lot of times it's work out like right now. That's the Fibonacci golden pocket.
Mm-hmm. That was a Brett Simba thing. So I learned it from.
A what? I'm sorry?
I learned that from Brett Simba,
Uh,
the golden pocket.
I don't
That's who I learned
remember.
it from.
Maybe from I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't remember from who I learned that. No, it wasn't from Brett. It was from a guy. In fact, I haven't seen any video of him in, I think, in years. He's from Canada, but I think he's like Portuguese. I don't remember his name or his channel's name. He had like a very nice beer.
Okay.
I don't know. And his logo was like purple. He has like a very nice setup. I don't know. I used to watch him like years ago. He used to do technical analysis pretty much every single day. Nice. That's pretty good. Yeah, that was pretty good. The golden pocket bounce.
I thought I needed like $170. There's some accounts that need 400.
Whoa, whoa, that's a little bit of a discrepancy. You're using copy trader? What are you
Yeah.
using?
Yeah, Tradeify.
Oh, okay. That's quite a bit. Tradeify's usually been pretty good.
Creek from Fit Traders? I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, that guy. That was the guy. Yes.
You found him?
Yeah, I found him. What's his name? Okay,
Golden
Nick
pocket dude.
from Fit Traders. Yeah, that was the guy. Him. last time he posted a video was 2 years ago. Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, been a while.
Yeah, I think he was the first ones that I used to watch all the time. He will go through technical analysis and he has like a really nice setup, like before all big YouTubers. I remember him. Yeah, that one. That was the guy. Yeah, I learned the golden pocket from him. Mm-hmm.
Interesting action here as we push back into this like 280 to 95 area.
Yeah.
Back over 300 is pretty strong. So watch as we push up to 300. We'll see what we do there.
Wonder how the 5-minute OR mid reacts here.
Yeah, so I came here today thinking for like expecting a bounce play pretty much for the rest of the week. I do think it's needed. It will be healthy for the market after having like 4 or 5 days um going
Selling.
lower. But I
Yeah.
feel we're going long when we have a big gap below. So I will prefer for the market to go down, retest yesterday's close for NQ will be 25,000 and then bounce there. So that will be the perfect setup to play some upside here. Go down to 25K and then bounce.
Still holding this like 60 area here is interesting too.
Mm-hmm.
So for the midline is 255 of the 15-minute orb. I know it's a little different on the 5-minute, right? Only thing is you get back up to 6850, you're back at that 50-day, and you're at the high on ES. So interested to see what happens there, but this looks like this gonna bust over 300 and could start going a little bit. Again, I'm then watching 400, 25.4 above on NQ. ES, I'll be watching 60, 59, 60, something like that. And then up into 71, 72. See what 300 does here.
You guys are gonna be here next week? Like Monday, Tuesday, and
Yeah,
Wednesday? Okay.
every day. I'll be here every day besides Christmas Eve and Christmas Day.
Mm,
I'll be Monday, Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, Friday?
mm. Why Friday? No one is gonna be here on Friday.
Why not? Why not? Friday,
Yeah,
I'll
I'm
be
not
here.
gonna trade Friday.
I'll be here.
Okay.
I'll be on, guys. Don't worry. I won't leave you alone.
I never do well on half days.
I'm legitimately working anyway, so I'll be at the computer. It makes no sense not to just sit here, right,
Yeah.
and have it up on the
Yeah.
side. Doesn't mean I'm gonna trade, right? But I will be here. I'll be chatting. But half days usually are a struggle boat for me as well. I like the fact we're holding here. Interesting. Don't want to see QQQ get back below 609.25. I don't want that to happen. And then it's like 677 and a half on SPY. Kind of the levels there that I'm watching. We're still fully inside the orb, 15-minute orb on both ES and Q. So it's gold. Look, what's gold doing? Good lord. Gold with what a move on gold. I didn't see this. That 75 rejection was crazy. All the way down to 38 to reclaim almost the entire thing back up to 68. What a move. Wow. Wild. Okay. Where's Sasha when you need her? Hmm. Okay, can we do something, please?
We're kind of stuck here, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. We want to see a move. Chilling.
Kind of like this 280 reaction, but I don't know if I trust it. I don't like when the market starts to move so slow.
Give me some volatility. Mm-hmm.
Might be interested in trying to buy around 250
250.
RTH VWAP and weekly VWAP here. Sellers being absorbed right now.
Right at the midline of the 15-minute orb. Interesting too.
Kind of wanted a little more.
Yeah.
Kind of want like 247.
Yep.
Think
Yep.
more.
Yep. Yep. Yeah. After I was thinking the same thing, I was like, just give me one quick little pull down to like another 5-7 points, maybe 240-ish right here, and then I'm gonna get in. I didn't do that. So it's okay. It was good though. 250.
NQ needs a
up from this morning.
strong 280 hold.
Yeah,
I want to
you
see
want to see a loose
aggressive
move.
buyers. We don't have any aggressive buyers right now, which is a little
Concerning.
eerie.
ES holding this 40, 41 is interesting. What we do there? Kind of the pre-market high we pushed up over, and now I've started to hold it. Like that's an interesting spot. Gold, what you doing, gold?
There's a 260 buyer here.
Okay.
Oof. That was a nice
Okay.
reaction.
I'm in a long at 247 here.
I think it's for more downside. Sorry.
I'm looking for like 220 at this point.
I got stopped out.
Yeah, it looks like a green
That's
to
10
red.
points.
Yes. Green to red type of day. That 30-minute candles don't look too good.
Uh,
I do potentially see down, low, high, low.
no, don't go now. Don't go now.
Are you short?
No, no. I'm waiting to see what happens here. I want it closer to this 215, 212 area to see if we can hold up right there. But I don't love how this looks currently, so I'm being a little cautious, to be honest.
I might look for a 200 long.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
was
I have
looking at
a
getting long on 215, but I took it off because I don't love how we're pushing down currently.
a long limit at 200.
That was a perfect
Stop
280
is at
reaction.
182.
Morning high, pretty much reaction. Yeah, I'm looking for the gap fill below.
Profit target's going to be at 238.
Hmm. Still waiting here.
We also have session value area low right here at 200. Okay, I got stopped there.
Looking to play a reaction of 820 on ES or 160 reaction on NQ.
I'm still interested in longs here. You have to retest overnight VWAP.
I'm watching this 170 area. See what we do there. It is a 170 to 160 is your or below and your VWAP on NQ. So obviously also IB low as of now, right? That can change clearly. So we haven't hit initial balance yet. Well, 15 minutes, but I'm watching that here. It's very controlled selling down right now.
Yes.
The only concern I have, right? But 170 is kind of a spot where that I like. Don't do it now though. $15-minute candle. I don't know why Tradeify does that. Tradeify's candles are closing like 10 seconds early for me. I don't know why. Weird. Okay, well, I wanted 70. 75 wasn't the number for me, so that's unfortunate. Because that's 30 points. Okay.
But I don't want the
Yeah.
market to
Yeah, I
just
took
keep
that.
ranging here. It's gonna be a very...
I re-entered long where I got stopped there. So I took a loss for 380 and then I took a winner for 600.
Nice. Beautiful.
Right off
Yeah,
a value area high again. Once I
I
started seeing
like
delta build up down here on volume.
and I'm still not sold that this is the point where we bounce completely, right? Like, but like that was it's a good spot for a scalp. At least that's how I viewed it.
So here's my trades. I took that 460 winner right here. Took a 235 loss right here. 380 loss right here, and then a 575 win. I wonder if I can, let's see.
Okay. Back to the 60, 70 area. This 80, I guess. Not at 70 yet.
Whoa. Well, I'm trying to set up a
Okay, so we're at the orb low again. See what we do here. Again, we have VWAP right below us as well. Nice. Again, just like that same thing. It's like 20 points, 30 points, 20 points. Like this, it's this area right here. I mean, when we break it, we can break it, but so far it's held pretty good. See, we put another 20 points down from here gives us close to that 160, which is kind of this little so low at 9:48 a.m. So we do there.
Still eyeing this 24-hour VWAP. I mean, I'm up. Let's see.
Still here at this 200. Still trying to hold. Okay. Give me a little more. So I am in short. I think we're gonna go a little bit lower. A little more. I entered at 193. Took some off at 177. It's questionable here now. It's a tough spot. I was looking for a quick scalp. Okay, I'm out. So I made another 90 bucks on that small because most of it got off at break even. I was gonna dip down into that VWAP, give me another 20-ish. I was looking for about 20 points there. I only got what I get 93 to I got about 13 to 15 points, something like that. Still could go though. Down. Still chilling here. Doing well. Holding up. Wow, nice. So we did hold that 170 after that was great. Really good. Watching to 250 again, right? Like this that being the midline of the orb. The thing to note though is that was a higher low, right? Our previous low there, swing low there was at 9:48 a.m. and that was at 60. This was at 74. So higher low there. Let me see what ES is doing here.
Yesterday's value area high, dude. Just look at that shit.
Beautiful. What that was so nice. That was so nice. I thought we'd see a slight dip lower, which we didn't get. Okay, so now reclaim of 50 is pretty aggressive. can't get in now though, but I said only for 50.
Can we break 280 now? And 846 on ES.
$15-minute candles are interesting.
Whoa.
Green full body, red full body, green full body, red full body. Looking at a green full body. It's very interesting.
Okay. So what I'm looking now is like the market, whenever it pulls back, is a very slow move. And look at these candles off of support levels, the green candles. They're big green candles. So the market definitely doesn't want to go lower. And we have Apple waking up, bouncing off of 268, which is an important level for Apple.
So this
Are
is
we
the
gonna
exact opposite
reject
of what I said
again?
yesterday.
We
Is
do
that
have
yep?
buyers coming in now, starting from this last push down into 180. I'd love to see a delta flip though, above 0. Right now, sellers are the aggressors still, but we're holding up, so they're getting slightly absorbed. I'd really like to see us push above new highs, and then we get a little delta flip to actually show
Okay,
some
if we
strength.
can have a hold here,
Watch
I
ES
like it.
here. Watch ES try to break over the 6850 here.
Yep. Yeah.
So ADR, as you were mentioning, like yesterday, I saw the opposite, right? Yeah, I made a note of it yesterday. Was that all the buying was slow, and then the selling would come in and be aggressively hard, right? And then you just buy up slow, and you'd come in aggressively hard sell.
Holy
That's what I
shit.
saw a lot. What did you see? And
If you look at my chart right here, sellers hitting the bid up here at the top.
Okay. I really like this
good.
hold here.
Like you typically see this action at lows, sellers selling the lows. There's an aggressive seller up here at the highs. I rarely see that ever.
That's look at that push. Wow. What a push. Holy smokes.
Yeah, I think this yeah, I think this is gonna be fuel for higher right here.
No entry here.
No, this is my problem right now.
Unfortunately,
I don't know how to
I
get
kind of
in.
want to buy stop above the highs for a breakout. Maybe not. That's a sweep.
The problem is that like 80% of breakouts fail. I mean, I'm making
Yeah,
up a
I
number,
know.
right? But it's an absurd amount, right? Like, I love playing them because when they go, they go. But man, do a lot of them fail.
Yeah.
I think this goes. Just looking at order flow.
I'd love a pullback to 300. Sorry, I almost. Oh God, geez, Louise. Right.
All right. I could be chasing here, but
Trying
playing along
one.
in the Apex evals.
You animal. Okay.
Okay. I really like this breakout in both ES and NQ.
All right, I gotta close it there. It didn't go.
I really wanted a little bit more of a pullback down before I got in,
Oh yeah, me too. Yeah, I'm not
but
buying here.
I am very interested. Like a 48 or 50 pullback, maybe 48 would be nice on ES for me.
Mhm.
I'd like a,
Yeah,
and again, like I
waiting
said,
50.
300 pullback might be interested as well.
Mhm.
Thank you. I just can't get in yet. I need more.
Okay, I'm gonna start buying here.
I wanted a little more because I want closer to 300. I know 310 was close, but I want a little bit lower. But I may not get it.
I was only able to get 6 micros on ES. I also want a little bit lower.
I did get 2 micros because I scaled in, but that wasn't like I want more. Like I plan on going 10. I started with just 2 there. That's unfortunate. Okay. Well, it was still nice, but yeah, great. Tiny size for this breakout that's bound to happen right now. Ugh. Right? Still get in it though with a piece.
Okay.
Yeah, that was a huge bid. And then the smarter move by me, I got impatient. We had a huge bid at 306 to 310s, and we came back, retested that bid, and now we're trading higher for the breakout.
I think you could still have a pullback here.
Once we get up to previous day high, then it'll be hard to long. But we had that 2 week balance low from the prior 2 weeks of that range right there at 436 to 453. Curious if we close the week green or red. We have weekly open up at 463.
Yeah, the
Close the
weekly and the
week,
monthly looked ugly yesterday.
Hello, degenerates.
Yeah, what's up,
Hey.
Case? Did you get a power nap in?
Dude,
Gotta get that. Gotta get the napping.
I'm on like 2 hours of sleep right now.
Oh
Messed
yeah,
up
yeah, yeah.
all
That's
day.
favorite.
But the market is
All day I
calling
had-
you.
Seriously. I mean, I made good money on the top steps, so kind of working on the Apex now. I'm a little down on that, but not too much.
Yeah, I got
But-
700 more bucks to go to secure these 20 accounts.
Nice, bro. Yeah, we're gonna keep pushing up until VIX stops dying, right? Then that's gonna be the
Yeah,
deciding factor here for
here's that
for
fucking
downside.
breakout. Damn.
Oh man, I sold too early.
Yeah, so did I.
I'm still holding, but I'm
Hey.
only holding 6 runners.
ADR, did you take longs
Yeah.
of that level that I gave you last night?
Oh no. I don't trade overnight. Like I don't even watch the market when
Yeah.
after 4. Like honestly, I just it doesn't matter what the market do after 4. I don't really
Yeah.
care.
Yeah, I found that helped me too. ADR. It's just to not even look. If I just don't even open a chart overnight, because then I get antsy. I want to trade, and I was like, no, just wait till the
Yeah.
Dude, I took overnight swings on my XFAs, beautiful off of the daily pivot for this
Nice.
statistical indicator.
Go get a little
And then as soon as I had more confidence whenever ES swept previous day low to hold those overnight and just go to sleep.
what sleep? What is that?
Huh?
I don't know.
What is sleep?
Have
Sweep?
kids.
Oh, okay, I get it.
Yeah. That's yeah. Have some kids. Forget sleep. That doesn't exist.
I was up for 4 days one time. Little
Jeez,
20-minute
dude.
naps here and there to maybe even not even 20, maybe like 5 to 10. SEER school, kind of hectic.
Yeah, I remember in boot camp they kept us up for like 2 days.
What?
Yeah, that shit hurt. Yeah. That was their way of building endurance.
I mean, just gonna build something.
Sellers
All
are
right.
getting railed right now.
Yeah, like
Sellers are
this.
getting railed.
Sadly, I wanted to get more size. Oh,
Yeah, that's the unfortunate part for me too. Is that I only got 2. Like,
you know when it's really painful when you only get like 2 2 contracts and you have your entire move
yeah.
happening.
Oh yeah. Oh, this is more than my move.
And you
I
make
didn't
like
even expect this.
$100, $150 on a huge
And
move.
you're like, oh, cool. I mean, it's still
Spicy
nice,
like
right?
PDH. Right up above. We're about
This is
30 cents away,
so
20 cents away from PDH on SPY.
25.4 was the
Yes.
level I wanted to see at
Beautiful,
9:30
beautiful
this morning
move.
at the open. So watch 25.4. That was my open level. This is what I kind of wanted to see us hit. But this is such aggressive buying.
Yep. I can start seeing some reaction here.
And then 68, 71, 72 on
Yeah.
ES, what I'd be looking at as well.
Yeah. I'm gonna
Yeah,
start selling
yeah.
a little bit here, taking some profits. Oh shoot, I sold too many. Well, okay, whatever.
Looking at a
Fine.
candlestick chart, you'd think this is aggressive buying, but it's just, I think it's sellers just getting fucked. There is no aggressive buying whatsoever right now.
Yeah.
Just there's so much selling this morning.
I think it's
And then
just the
that
market
breakout,
is
there was
exhausted from selling the past 4 or 5 days, especially yesterday. Like I'm
Yeah.
definitely expecting kind of like a run for the rest of the week.
Yeah, it'd be nice to get like a true Santa rally. First half of December pull back, second half rallies, and then we did get that perfect 50% retracement.
Isn't that what Dylan was looking at? Amped, that video that I sent you?
Yeah.
Yeah. He was like second half of December is gonna be what I'm expecting the rally to be. So yeah.
And I think he
playing
pulled
out.
up stats for it. I think that like the statistically, the
Isn't that
statistical,
crazy? Like,
Santa rally. Yeah. Yeah, I love kind of statistics in the market. It's actually insane. Like that's what this indicator is all based off of, is statistical ranges, and just seeing how well it gets respected is insane.
and it's actually playing out the way he was calling out, which is crazy.
Okay, there's 400 being a little stubborn. There
That's
is our
PDH.
Is there 70 and a half? I was saying 71, but
I
yep.
have PDH at 450.
No, PDH on this is PDH on SPY and on SPX that just got hit.
Gotcha.
I mean, I have PDH I have PDH for the whole day of yesterday up at 520, whatever it is, 502, 510. But I also include pre-market. So yeah, everybody looks at PDH differently, right?
I don't. I do PDH from regular trading hours on futures.
Well,
Not
well then,
like pre.
well then it would be 450 for yesterday. So you don't.
Yeah, that's for Qs, but for
No.
NQ. I'm sorry, for NQ is 447.
Yeah, correct. Yes. Yeah. You're
Or
saying on Q is your PDH.
no, PDH on Qs is 613.65. On QQQ, which Qs are we talking about? Which Qs are you
QQQ.
talking about? QQQ is 613.75, 613.65. PDH.
Yes.
Yep. On SPY, it's 680.44, which we just swept.
Yes, correct. Yep. Well, yes. We're at it right now. We're sitting at it, but yes. Yeah. Correct. Yeah, so for SPY and QQQ, it is regular trading hours. For NQ and ES, I do the whole session. Overnight and
Okay, gotcha.
everything. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, so it is interesting. For QQQ SPY, everything I do is focused on the actual hours, right? The market hours, and then NQ and ES, I do the whole shebang.
Yeah.
400 again, still showing a little bit there. Let's see.
So where is your NQ higher day? PDH? Sorry.
450.
25,507.
507.
Yeah, I 510, 507, something like that.
What do you have, Amped?
I have 450 just because that's the RTH, but
Yeah.
let's see. Yeah,
Is it-
I mean the daily bar is up at 508.
Yeah,
507,
750 a.m. yesterday morning is when we hit 508, 507, whatever it is.
But what time does the New York session start?
But I don't do New York for NQ and ES. NQ and ES is the entire overnight, everything. For me, for PDH, right? So it's the entire previous day high, everything from yesterday, right?
Mhm.
That's your previous day high.
Okay.
Yeah. That's how I do it, and I do it actually from 4 to 4. I'll
I just
see
use
how
the daily
I've
bar.
calculated it.
I just use the daily bar off ES and
Yeah.
Q.
Yep, you can do that too.
Different ways of looking at it, I guess. So yeah.
That's all it is. Yeah.
I put emphasis on the RTH because of volume.
Volume, sure.
You know, there's more volume during the regular trading hours that comes from SPY and from QQQ. So and from equities, you know, so there's more emphasis for me on that. So because if you actually take pre-market off, that'll flip the RTH. Case market opens at 9:30. Yeah, there you go. See? Joshua, see? At least we agree on one thing one day.
Listen,
You know
I
how
mean,
much time that
it's
takes? That much time and effort that takes to
it's
do
it's
on
worth it. It's funny.
freaking tough stuff.
It's funny.
Okay.
It's good.
Did I tell you guys that Joshua hit me up on IG? He made it seem like he was somebody else.
No, that's great. Did he Catholic here?
He's like, Joshua told me to tell you that GC's going to 4,500.
That's so good. That's great. That's so good. He's like, wait, I did that? Oh, that's right, I did.
I was like,
That's
you
good.
bastard.
Well played.
Like,
Well played.
he's like, it's me, man, it's me.
You should beat by
God,
20
that's
bucks,
funny.
Josh.
$20.
That's fucking funny, man.
That is good.
Good dude, good dude. Top five.
You gonna have a little bull flag here, maybe?
I want a pullback to 68.60.
Okay, I like that. Okay, that was aggressive.
And Josh was like, wait, what? Yeah, you playing it off like you don't know. You're gonna learn day, boy. Learn day.
Nice ADR, nice. That's what 6 micros, huh? Is that 6 micros?
Look at that. Nice.
Hell yeah. Win.
I like.
Very much. Come on. Give me a little lower.
Stay safe, y'all.
Yeah, I can't hear ADR on voice at all.
No, she's not there.
No. So Sean's
She's
like
making
can't hear
too
you
much
on
money right now.
YouTube.
Sorry.
She's
So
making too much
Yeah, I
money.
was mute. Yeah, I'm done.
yeah. Nice. It's
done.
beautiful.
Sorry, guys. Yeah, I was mute.
No, you're fine.
she's making too much money right now. That's what it is.
Yeah, she's killing it. It is what it is. It happens.
Nah,
Not to me, unfortunately, but I mean, it
honestly,
happens.
today was a small. Yesterday it was yeah. I made like 26K yesterday, but today is a
Nice.
small day.
That's a good day.
Congrats.
That's a
Happy for you.
good day. Oh yeah.
That's my little meme gif.
This week has been
Yeah,
amazing for me. Like the level of patience and really waiting for after a big move like yesterday. Yeah, I've been doing pretty good this week. Well, I'm done for the rest of the week, but yeah.
I would love to lock in a $500 a day on Apex, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to today. And drop.
Yeah, I can't get in right now. I need more. I need lower.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm waiting. Being patient. I'm already up. Nice. I don't need to push anything, but I'm not opposed to risking some profits to make a little more.
Wait, you know, Funded Next sent me the money, right? Guess how they did it? Via crypto.
No.
What?
That series,
I-
bro. They told me that I had to open up a crypto account in order for me for them
No.
to send me. Yeah,
How-
they sent
how
me
did-
Ethereum, which is not bad, I guess, but I guess I'll just leave that there, you know.
That's kind of shitty because, like, what if they send it to you and then 5 minutes
Then it
later
goes
it
down.
has a 10% drop?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I don't.
That series, dude, like they couldn't get the rice thing to work, and then they were like, "Yeah, just open up a crypto
So-
account, and we'll see money there."
Because they couldn't get Rise to work. They like we'll just send you crypto. Nah, that's
Dude, I don't know
no.
what the hell happened with them. Yeah,
That's wild. Okay, well, okay, that's crazy.
yeah, I don't think I'm gonna go do anything with
No,
them again.
I wouldn't. Not after
Yeah.
that.
No.
I didn't have that problem, but I wouldn't be doing that.
What
That's for
prop
sure.
was that?
Fund it next.
Oh,
Next fund it. So
No.
Right?
You're right. Fund it next.
fund it next.
Fund it
Yeah,
next.
fund it next.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
They're based out of
Funded
the
ticks
UK,
did
right?
the same
They're
thing
not
for
based
me
out of here.
too.
Come again?
Say that again, Rise.
So funding ticks did the same thing for me too. They paid me in USDT or something, and I had to open up this whole crypto wallet.
Yeah.
I don't know. They get all their money from overseas, so they're probably trying to avoid taxes and stuff.
Crazy, dude. They sure as hell are gonna send me a 1099 though. Avoid taxes. But they're gonna send me a 1099. Like, hold up. Like,
let's not even talk about taxes.
yeah.
What taxes? Y'all pay taxes?
Nah, I don't.
Yeah, I'm just waiting
Definitely
for
not.
Trump to invade Venezuela so I can go back and pay no taxes there.
Yeah, I'm just waiting on my 1776 deposit. Y'all hear about that?
No.
Huh?
Oh yeah, you're getting a nice little.
A stipend.
Yeah, nice little Christmas bonus, if you will.
Yeah, that's beautiful, dude.
How? What?
I'm glad you are.
I don't think I qualified for that.
Military. No, military's
No.
getting.
Yeah, only active
Oh,
duty
militaries,
military
okay.
is getting $1,700. Apparently, it's coming from tariffs. Wow, $2.5 billion. That's actually insane.
That's a lot in tariffs. Pretty wild.
Carrots or tariffs?
Yeah, carrots. Yeah, they're orange ones.
The orange ones. Nice.
Yeah. Like funny.
I'm still waiting for Trump to adopt us Canadians.
Yeah,
You don't
good
want
luck.
us though.
Only thing we want is your maple syrup. That's it. Get out of here.
We got strong beer.
You
So
do?
you like
Stronger
you
than
do?
stronger
I
than
mean,
what do you call it? Overseas?
Well, we have like 8.9s and 9s.
Damn.
so do we.
Guys,
So do we. What?
yeah, but that's
drink 9s every
IPA.
day.
I don't know. It's
Oh yeah,
different.
yeah.
Hard to explain.
So,
I don't like IPA beer.
So Labatt and Molson are you good ones?
Oh no, that's garbage.
I know it's a joke. It's a joke. I know it's garbage.
He said that's garbage.
It is. I mean, if you've ever had Labatt or Molson, you know, it's not good. But again, we got like Bud Light and stuff here, which is in the same category, just trash.
Just
Like,
water.
don't drink that. Yeah,
Is
don't
that what
drink
they
that.
call it in what do you call it? The Simpsons piss water?
Do they?
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna come. Is it gonna come down for us, Case, or no? Because I don't think it is right now.
Gonna bounce here because it's hitting the
Yeah.
13 EMA on the 2 minute. It's gonna bounce a little probably.
The
Try
400 still
long
looks
here.
like a. Oh. You
Why
going for
not?
those Apex accounts, Amped?
Yeah, I'm on the Apex.
Yeah.
After,
It is getting heavy though.
whenever you get your first Apex payout with 20 accounts, I don't think you can stop trading Apex.
Yeah, I agree.
Unless you're
And
like
I don't think
LT
I'm
and they
gonna go back
ban
to
you.
work.
Oh yeah.
I think I'm gonna quit my job after that.
Bro, you keep
I'm just
saying it.
kidding.
Do it, man. Do it. Quit. You don't need that
I need
shit.
benefits, man. Bessie doesn't have benefits under
Yeah,
the
but if
yellow.
it's from work from home, then why wouldn't you just keep it?
Yeah. Well, that's the thing. And they want me to start going in now. So I'm like,
Oh,
hell no.
hell no.
We're like, hell nah.
That's the fastest. Ain't happening. You can't pay me
Yeah,
enough
you
to
gotta
go
make
in.
stuff up. Oh, I can't. My mental health is not great. Blah blah blah.
Yeah.
You guys
I
are
hurt my
making me stay up
leg.
24 hours a day.
Handicap. Like, yeah, you know, no way going in.
Yeah, she's like, starting January, I need you to come in twice a week. I'm like, shit, I don't know if I'm gonna be back by January then.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Doctor's note.
Even once
Yeah.
a week would
That
be tough.
works.
Still holding this here.
It's a little
So we
iffy
get-
though. This hold is a little
Yeah.
iffy.
I don't disagree. I'm a little torn right now. Okay, I need coffee. I'll be right back, guys.
Amped. Watch out with that long, dude.
Yeah, I'm
I like it
about 4
on
points from being
NQ
stopped.
320s pullback. I like it for a possible pullback long. 325, 330.
Yeah, I got stopped.
That's the morning high.
$11 o'clock. coming in 2 minutes, so we'll see what happens in this candle. It's either gonna be a push up or a push down. Could be a push up on NQ. But ES is having a hard time here. Ooh. Who's got a 1 minute scalp rule now?
I think there's a few.
Funding ticks.
Mm.
They just
Damn.
revamped their whole program yesterday. It screwed everybody over, and it's retro changes too.
Oh,
So I even see some of our guys in the chat saying that they got trades removed from them. So if they had $800 that was like a 30-second trade, it would be removed from your whole dashboard.
F that.
Yeah, avoid those guys.
Shit, do I have a meeting? 15 minutes. All right. 15 minutes to make a million. Let's go.
I wanted to retest this 350 here, previous high.
yeah. I'd like to say that too. Yes.
ADR, you gonna talk to Desi about that thing for next week?
I was thinking, yeah, but also I was thinking so the entire, we can do it with futures. Like,
Mm-hmm.
so everyone in
Yeah.
futures
Yeah.
can be there because I don't think next week is gonna move much.
No.
So if we have more people there, maybe we can like me by myself when the market doesn't move, it's just boring. I don't even know what
Boring.
to say.
Yeah. No, I get it.
Mm-hmm.
That seems fine with me. Like, let me know what he
Mm-hmm.
says.
Yeah, I'm gonna text him later today. And I don't think he wants to trade more for the rest of the year.
No, he's pretty fed up. He's
Mm-hmm.
pretty
I
tired
don't
of
blame
this.
him. I mean, if I had a group, I had to take vacations at least, I don't know, maybe once every 2 months.
Mm-hmm.
It's a lot of work.
Yeah.
That's why I do this YouTube live. Whenever
Is
I
Desi
end
in
my
New York
stream,
for
I'm
Christmas?
done. Huh?
Sorry,
Don't
what'd you
worry.
say?
No, we're just talking about like Desi needs to take a vacation
Is he going to New York for Christmas or no?
next weekend.
Oh, nice.
He's doing early Christmas with the family.
Okay, I'm back. What'd I miss? Nothing. Good. Good.
this thing is just not doing shit.
No, I mean, maybe it goes here, so it's a slip now, but I mean, it's going so slow. It's crawling right now.
I like it. I like this pullback.
Yeah.
I do too. I do too. I like a pullback as well, but I mean, it's
The aggressiveness stopped already.
right, and that's my problem, right? Like if I'm looking to scalp off this, I'm looking for some sort of volatility, and it's just not there. Just kind of doing nothing. We're gonna get something here now, though.
Yes, it's holding very, very nicely.
Mm-hmm.
Breaking out of this little downtrend here on the 2 minute
Yeah.
on an NQ.
We're
Trying to
bouncing
anyway.
off the first standard deviation anchored VWAP from those lows, which is kind of cool. Sort of a bull flag break at the moment. See
That's
if
what
it
I'm watching too.
sustains. Also, 15-minute imbalance.
Nice 5-minute second entry long off that 350 high too.
I mean, is every single person saying this is a good long, pretty much?
Mhm.
Yeah.
It's like
It was off that
9
level.
confluences. Yeah, saying this is the long. But that was good. Watch back into your 25.4. Watch back into your 71. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that was a nice bull flag.
I may have to call it here for Apex. I don't know.
Why?
We'll see. I'm up 1578, but I'm still 650 away from passing, and I've been hovering around this. I don't wanna push it.
You have a window to show your position? Yeah, it's right there. You have it. Right at the top here. Top right. Okay, I'm done for today. I had two very nice trades. Green is green. Happy with my week. I'll see you guys on Monday.
Dale.
Yeah. Happy Green
See
Day.
ya.
Enjoy your weekend.
You too,
Later,
guys.
ADR.
Talk
Have a
to
good
you
weekend,
Bye.
Monday,
ADR.
guys. Bye. YouTube, I'll see you guys also on Monday. If you guys can help me liking the video, I pretty much appreciate it. Have a wonderful weekend. See ya. Bye.